I can see a lot of things that can go wrong after this video. Hey guys, this is Lena with Lena's Lovely Locks. If this is not your first time, welcome back. But if it is your first time, thank you so much for stopping by. Alright, so in today's video, you guys, we're going to get into some lock trends that we should have left back in 2022. Alright, so the first trend that we should have left in 2022 is edges. Y'all, leave y'all edges alone, please. I was going through my Instagram feed and I saw a young lady who was perming her edges. Now, this is not the first person that I've seen perming their edges. This is just the first person that I was able to screenshot. So if you look at this video right here, you can see that she's perming her edges. I don't know what for. If you guys can find a really good edge control, I don't see the point of perming your edges or relaxing your edges. And plus, wouldn't it take it out? Like, wouldn't it thin your edges more so? Alright, so moving on from perming edges, the next lock trend that we need to keep in 2022 is relaxing your locks. I mean, who relaxes their locks? Obviously this person. I can see a lot of things that can go wrong after this video. 1, your locks are going to be ruined. 2, they're going to become unraveled. 3, they're going to fall out. I came across this video on Instagram as well, and I was just taken aback. Like, really? Why are we perming our locks? Is it the whole point of our locks to lock up, and relaxing them would just do the exact opposite? Is it just me? I don't know. Have you guys come across this video? If so, comment down below. Alright, so the next trend that we need to leave back in 2022 is saying the ugly stage. I know that a lot of you guys are just starting out in your journey and you don't like that plucked chicken look, but it is not an ugly stage. It is a growth stage. It is a growth phase. It is a journey. So please don't be hard on yourselves, or don't be too hard on yourselves, and don't call your locks ugly. They're beautiful, girl. Beautiful. Alright, so the next trend that we need to leave back in 2022 is comparing your journey to others. And I have been known to do that on multiple occasions. I'm always comparing my journey to the next girl's because her hair is longer or thicker or fully locked. But I've been told that I am someone else's lock inspiration, and that made my heart just sing. So I have to be better at not comparing my journey to someone else's, because they can have struggles as well. I have lots of struggles. People don't know that, or if you're new to my channel, you may not know that, but I have been going through some things with my lock journey, and it has not all been fun and games. So just try not to compare your journey to others, because you don't know what they're going through or what they've been through to get to where they're at. Alright, the next trend that we should keep in 2022 is not trusting the process. Now, I know that is so cliche. You hear everyone say it, you gotta trust the process, you gotta trust the process. You gotta trust the process. But sometimes you get sick of hearing it. I know that I'm getting sick of hearing it. I know that I'm getting sick of saying it, but you have to trust the process. You cannot speed up the process. There's nothing you can do. This is a game of patience. If you are a patient person, then this journey is definitely for you. If you are a very impatient person, then you're gonna have some struggles during this journey, but it's okay. Just trust the process. All right, so the last trend that we need to keep in 2022 is the bashing of other lock stars. Now, what I mean by that is I'm part of a few Facebook groups, and they're very, very educational and helpful, but you do come across the odd lot that can bash other people for asking questions that they really don't know the answer to. I get a lot of people, or I see a lot of people that ask what the difference between Sisterlocks and Microlocs are, and then I'm seeing down the reply feed, people are kind of bashing this person for not knowing the difference between the two. So if you guys can be a little bit more kind to each other, because this is a welcoming community, this is a very good community, just don't bash other people, okay? They don't know, so just educate them. And if you don't want to educate them, just keep scrolling. All right, guys, so those are all the lock trends that I believe should stay in 2022. If you have any more to add, or if I forgot any, don't forget to put them down in the description box below. Thank you so much for joining me again. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you later. Bye.